How to change location on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply open LinkedIn and sign into your account. And once you do so, you're going to click on me over here at the top right. And then you're going to click on view profile. If you're doing it on your mobile, then you can also simply navigate to your profile. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the location here under your name. That's United States for me right now. If you want to change it, you're going to simply click on this pencil icon and then you'll be redirected to the edit intro section. You're going to scroll down and here you'll be able to see location, country, or region. So you're going to simply type in your country or region over here. So you can simply type in any country or region, whichever you have. So I'm going to click on New Zealand. You're going to simply type in the postal code and then click on save. And just easy as that, you have successfully changed the location. So all you need to do is simply reload your page. And once you reload the page, you'll be able to see your new location here under your name. So that's basically how you can change location on LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.